nature. A for apple. Apple means
Same.
B for ball. Ball means
Game.
C for cat. Cat means
Billy.
D for dog. Dog means
Kutta.
E for elephant. Elephant means
Hathi.
S for fish. Fish means
मछली. मछली जल की रानी है.
G for gull. Gull means turkey. H for horse. Horse means घोड़ा. I for ice cream. Ice cream means
Ice cream. Wow, yummy.
Thanks for watching video. हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो और वीडियो को लाइक भी. बाय बाय.